In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Epic Games account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser and search for epicgames.com. Now in here, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right of your screen. In here, scroll down and you'll be able to find the create account option. So click on the create account option. Now in here, you'll need to enter your birth date first before you can create an account on Epic Games. So you'll need to enter your birth month, birthday, and birth year. After that, go ahead and click on the continue button. Now in here, you'll need to select your country, enter your email address that you want to use for your Epic Games account, along with your first and last name, and create a display name for your Epic Games account. So make sure that you don't have any duplicate display names on the platform. Now after that, you'll need to create a password for your Epic Games account. After that, go ahead and check that I have read and agreed to the terms of service and click on the continue button. Now once you have your account created on Epic Games, you'll need to sign into your account by entering your email address and password. And that's how you can simply create an account on Epic Games. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.